Hey, today I'm reporting this aloe vera. This is one of my healthiest and mature aloe vera I have with me. And around 2 months back, it flowered, and I have posted the picture in my Instagram as well. As you can see, it was in this small pot and it was growing healthy. Now it's almost root bound. That's a geotextile fabric which is kept at the base of the pot to keep the soil from coming out from the drainage hole. I'm planning to repot this aloe vera in this pot because of two reasons. First, this pot is bigger. Second, I couldn't figure out why these plant leaves are looking so thin like this, so I wanted to examine the soil. And on examining, I found that there are so many woodlices in the soil, which I think could be the reason why my plant was not growing healthy. Usually what I do for this is spread the soil on a flat surface and spray it all over with neem oil solution, and after 1 or 2 days I'll sun dry it for 2 to 3 days. Guys, if you have better solution, please mention it in the comments down below. As you can see, there are so many of them. This is some frozen banana peels which I was storing in my freezer. So in the base of the pot, first I have a burlap cloth and then I'm adding one banana peel, adding some crushed eggshells. It's always better to crush them in your mixer grinder. Adding these are optional. If you have good soil, that will be enough. I'm using soil from an old pot. I have loosened up the soil from the plant root and I'm planting it in. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like and share this video.